The OnePlus 12R is expected to be launched in India on June 22, 2023, and comes with an expected price tag of 48,990 rupees. This smartphone comes with a base variant of 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, which is perfect for heavy users who demand fast and smooth performance. The phone is available in two colors, black and gold, and features a 120Hz AMOLED display that provides vibrant colors and sharp visuals. On the back of the phone, you'll find 4 cameras that capture stunning images and videos. And on the front, there are 2 cameras that take high-quality selfies and offer video calling capabilities. The OnePlus 12R is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, which is known for its blazing fast performance and efficiency. To keep you going throughout the day, the phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh fast-charging battery that charges up quickly and lasts for hours on end. And for added security, the phone features an on-screen optical fingerprint sensor that ensures only you can access your device. With all of these features and more, the OnePlus 12R is the perfect smartphone for those who demand the best. So mark your calendars for June 22, 2023, and get ready to experience the power of the OnePlus 12R.